What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp experience. If you find a Meta AI feature intrusive or unhelpful, this guide will walk you through the process of disabling or deleting it, allowing you to chat without restrictions. Actually, you cannot disable it. You cannot remove Meta AI in the WhatsApp app. Removing or disabling Meta AI in the WhatsApp app is not available for now, so there's nothing you can do about it. You can still have a conversation with friends and relatives, even though there is a Meta AI feature. So you don't have to worry about it because it is part of the feature in the WhatsApp app. If you are not satisfied, you just have to uninstall it. All you have to do is tap the Settings app. In the Settings tab, scroll down until you find the Apps tab and tap on it. And the Apps tab, tap on WhatsApp if it is only on the recently opened apps, as you can see in the video. If it didn't, tap on See All 126 apps to see all the list of the apps, including the WhatsApp app. If you found the WhatsApp app, tap on it. While you are in the app info of WhatsApp, tap on the uninstall button to uninstall the app. In conclusion, there is no way to remove Meta AI from the WhatsApp app. Therefore, you can use alternative apps of WhatsApp like where there's no Meta AI instead of WhatsApp app. Enjoy having conversation with friends and relatives. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.